This was the off-white bathroom ceiling fan. It's now been a primed yellow. It's more or less. I was gonna paint it yellow like the walls, like a sun yellow, but we decided to go with the metallic color. I'm just using acrylic. I just used the yellow as a primer, and I'm gonna paint over it, and I'm just gonna show you the results. I already taped it off. Obviously, I decided to go with the metallic color just to have a different color with the white and the yellow walls. So that's all. I'll just show you the end results. This is just a quick video on it. Okay, that's the first coat. It's a little harder to color, obviously, with the yellow, but it gives it a little bit more goldish look, which is kind of like what we were looking for in a roundabout way. It is drying medium dark, so that's fine. The next coat will just darken it up. I mean, that's what happens when you change midstream, going from wanting it to be yellow to like more like a metallic. But it actually is working out good because it gives it more like a yellow gold, which is close enough to what we really want. So that's good. Okay, that's the second coat. It still looks like a little bit more yellowish because the reflection of the walls and the light, but it actually is like a goldish, very light bronze, but it's a goldish. I ended up using a royal gold, a crafter brush. What I did was I wet the brush a little before. I don't know, it just works out better if you wet the brush a little before and then you start painting. And then wash it out with dish soap so the brush doesn't get ruined. And there it is. Just let it dry. You're supposed to let it dry an hour between coats. I put the painter's tape up. I'll let it dry before I take that down. Otherwise, sometimes you get the little runoff peels. So I always try and let that dry. Some people will cut it down the edges. So if you're pulling it down and the paint starts to peel, just kind of stop and use a little razor knife to cut where it might be sticking to the paint. Otherwise, you just got to touch it up. So there it is, painted vent fan. That's 2 coats. It looks like I go 1 more coat, but there actually is a lot of reflection in here from the yellow walls, and the light. So if you can see, that actually is a good 2 coat paint job. And there it is. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day.